Welcome back, guys. Jet Scott here as always, and sorry if I sound weird. I think I blew out my left eardrum when I was out at the farm the other day with Dad, being cowboys, if you know what I mean. So kind of mending that, and the old yard dart's out running, idling, getting warm, because well, I'm looking like a daggone hippie, and I may not look like a hippie to most, but I got to get a haircut today. But what we're doing is we're working on Jezebel shifter, because a lot of little problems with the car, and one of the problems is with the shifter mechanism. Well, not with the mechanism seems fine, but what I think the problem was that our shifter here is these pistol grips are originally, hang on, sorry Dart, you're just too much. We're just gonna have to quiet you down just a little bit. These pistol grip shifters were originally a slip fit style, like what Dad's shifter is in his Charger. Instead of having bolts, it has a little ball detent that locks on. So someone took this original handle and drilled it. Well, they didn't drill it very good, as you can see. So part of my fix is I got this tapered dowel. That's going to go in that hole that shouldn't even be there. That press fits in there really nice. And we'll TIG weld that up. And then we'll just have to re-drill just that little portion of it right there. And then we're going to redo the bolts that hold this on, because originally this uses fine threaded bolts. And the other problem to this is there's not much shank on these bolts, and the bolt is overly long to begin with. So when you put this bolt in here, there's a lot of movement. You know, we don't want that movement, because when it's actually in there, it's on the threads, and the threads allow it to have a lot of back and forth, side to side play, and that's not very kosher. So the idea is to get a longer bolt and cut the threads off, so we have the shank running through the shifter mechanism, and that'll actually hold the shifter on, and then go through this plate here, and then put 2 nylock nuts on it instead of these, the factory nuts. So it's kind of what we're going to do today, and I hope you enjoy it. But for now, I'm going to get a dang on haircut, because I need it. Yep, the old yard dart. I like this car a lot. Someday it'll have a transmission that suits it better than that automatic. But so what do you say? Let's go for a quick little spin, go get our hair cut, look like a normal human being again. Well, hopefully. I don't know if they're that good at haircuts at the place I'm going to make me look normal, but so gotta love that cam. Just a fun little car just to toot around in. It really is. I mean, I never thought I would be a big A-body guy, especially an early A-body guy, but I just gotta say, there ain't very many cars that just make you just want to drive them and enjoy them. Especially a car with its probably original 4-wheel drum brakes to the single pop master. But it's got new wheel cylinders. So that's a plus. girl needs some good valve springs on her. A little more carb tuning. Oh well. Well, time to get a haircut and look like a normal human being. Well, haircut's done. Waiting on traffic. God dang. Holy crap. 4 people. Come on. We got a shifter to rebuild for Jezebel. Come on, another little shift box. Look at that. That's what's holding us up. That is a shift box. Come on, Dart, let's go. Woo! The old Dart is not a speed demon, but it's good enough. It's a fun car. It doesn't have to be fast. It's just a 273. Of course, you know, the speedometer work, it might be faster than I think it is. It just don't feel very fast. Of course, there's no foam in this seat either, so I don't really know. I know I look silly in this car because, well, there's no foam and, well, I look like a dang gorilla in this thing. Oh, look, they got a dog. Look at that dog. But anyways, we got a haircut. We look normal now. Let's go work on Jezebel's shifter. So we're back here at the shop. We got our tapered dowel, like I said earlier. That's going to get pushed in like that. Well, the other way. The hole is actually bigger on this side. That'll go in just like that. Sit in there. Or cut that excess off. Grind the chrome away. TIG weld that in. Get this hole back to the right size. And well, we'll start rocking and rolling. So, enjoy. Alrighty, well, we welded up that hole with that dowel. Both sides. Some filler rod. We'll clean that up just a little bit. We're not going for stack of dimes, we're going for functional. So now we got to take like our new bolt here. It's the big shank I was talking about versus what we had this little shank. Not enough. Now we got to re-drill this hole. There's a little bit of excess right there at the base of it. We'll drill that out, make that round again like it's supposed to. Hopefully that'll solve the problems with the shifter actually moving just a little bit, and just that little bit of extra movement I had in the shifter was enough that's going to cause my index finger knuckle to go right in the mechanical tack. So hopefully that fixes that. Alright, and surprisingly enough, I did not need to change the bolts at all. You know, actually to change this bottom bolt, I got kind of lazy. In order to change it, you got to take the actual mechanism, this piece out, to get the bolt out, gets captured by the reverse lockout. But I just left those in. I put some lock washers on there, and normally when I would try to shift this thing, you know, I'm gonna pull it back because it's locked on this bolt. This shifter would move just a little bit fore and aft, but now down here, pull the table over, and if I go forward, it's just moving the shifter itself. The whole box is moving in the vise. This is no longer moving forward and backwards. It's staying right where it is, and those bolts are super tight. So when that shifter gets ready to go back in, we might pull this back up, put a little blue Loctite on them, and we'll call that a job done. One of the many small things we got to fix on Jezebel. So that's going to be it for today, because it's going to be a short little video. Join us next time as we probably delve into this 18-spline transmission. I got more things I got to do today, but we'll be delving into that thing and hopefully figuring out what's going on with it and get it rebuilt. So see you guys then. Hope you enjoyed, and man, start over. So yeah, we'll dig into that thing and hopefully we get that rebuilt here pretty soon. But as always, guys, I appreciate you for watching and hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing the next one. So take care. Bye bye.